Alright guys, we're gonna do some solving logs. So we're gonna use the rules that we already learned for logs and the ones that we learned for natural logs, and we're gonna use them in equations. So we're gonna have something like, start really simple, log base 3 of 4 equals 2. We're gonna get rid of this by the same thing that we did with the e. So on natural logs, we had something like natural log of x equals 3, and we did the e to get rid of that, and so we got x equals e to the 3. We're gonna do the same thing here. So whatever this base is, that's what's gonna go here. So then we're gonna have 4 equals 3 squared. Obviously that's not true. That was my bad. I forgot to put a variable in there. So that's what we're gonna do. So we'll have something like log base 2 of 3x equals 4. We're gonna go 2 to the power of. We call this exponify. So I'm gonna exponify it. So it's gonna be 3x equals 2 to the 4, which is 2, 4, 8, 16. And then I'm going to do 16 divided by 3. And because it's x equals, I'm going to put it in Batman's, 16 over 3. So remember, on these, we didn't do it because it was going to give us a decimal. On these, we are going to do the exponent, 2 to the 4. We are going to do that because it's not going to give us a decimal. It's going to give us an integer. A couple more examples. So log base 3 of 4x plus log base 3 of 2 equals 5. So because this is plus and they're the same base, I can put it together and multiply the ofs. So I'm going to do log base 3 of 4x times 2 is 8x equals 5. I'm going to exponify it. So I'm going to have 8x equals 3 to the 5. 3 to the 5, I do not know what that is. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, times 3 is 243. 243. And then I'm going to divide by 8. And because it's x equals, I'm going to put it in Batman's. So 243 over 8. So we're going to use all of the rules. So don't forget about your rules. Do another example. Okay, so first rule is I can't combine these when there's a number in front, so I'm going to make that an exponent. Because this is a number, 3 squared, I'm just going to square that. That's 9. This is addition with the same base, no numbers in front, so I'm going to multiply those. Same base, no numbers in front, subtraction, so I'm going to divide those. 9x divided by 3 is 3x. Oops, forgot the base. Now I'm going to exponify. 4 squared is 16. And then I'm going to divide by 3. Since this is x equals, I'm going to put it in Batman's. So that's what we're going to be doing today.